So you want to chat with Gemma 2, but you don't know how to code or anything about downloading open source models on your computer? No worries, this is a quick and easy way on how to use Gemma 2 on your local computer that you can use privately. You don't need to know how to code or anything like that. By the way, I make similar videos like these on LLMs, machine learning, and other data science tools, so please feel free to subscribe. If you guys were unaware, Gemma 2 is a new large language model released by Google actually yesterday while recording this video, and currently it is outperforming Llama 3 8 billion. Just to see the different benchmarks over here, we can see the Llama 9 billion outperforming 8 billion by a pretty good percentage. Not only that, they also have a 27 billion parameter version, which is on par with the 70 billion while being less than half the size of Llama 3. Now, let's see how we can make inferences. So first thing you have to do is go to lmstudio.ai. It's a chat application that allows you to use any open source language model that you want. So based upon your computer, choose which one you need and download it. After you download, you're going to open the application. You'll be presented like this. And once you open the application, you'll be presented with this UI. You have to write Gemma 2 in the search option and write go. And you'll be presented with different Gemma models that are available. We will be choosing Gemma 2 9 billion. If you have a more beefier application, beefier computer, you can choose the 27 billion version. But in this case, we're going to choose 9 billion and we're going to download it. We're going to press download over here. Over here at the bottom, we can see that the model is being downloaded. If in case you guys are wondering, I am using an M1 MacBook. So it's not a super beefy computer, but considering you have a decent laptop that can run simple models, you should be fine. Now the model has been downloaded. We're going to go to this AI chat menu and we're going to load a model. What we're going to do is we're going to choose the Gemma 2 that we have over here. And then now we can start asking questions. And there you go. This is how you can chat with Gemma 2 on your local computer with no code. I hope you found this video insightful. If you guys did, please feel free to subscribe. I make similar videos like these. Alright guys, I'll see you soon.